everyone, this is Donna, and today we're going to talk about this paying app called Golden Time. Okay guys, so Golden Time is not something new, but this is a paying app so far, and we have received a submission from one of my viewers. His name is Dandin Tolentino, and he gave me his proof of payment via PayPal. So minimum cash out for Golden Time is $10. So there is a charge, and of course, since we're in Philippines, it will be under peso currency with us. So here is the payment below. That's what he submitted. So as you can see, the payment that he received, it's already converted in our peso currency. So as you can see, it's still on hold because it will be on his balance itself after 5 days, because he submitted this to me as soon as he received it. So he just recently got $10 out of Golden Time, and he has told me as well when he sent this to me that he received it in a span of 3 to 4 days, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so he also told me that it's very easy to gain points here. It's very easy to achieve, and he hasn't really played it quite often, but he still received it. I guess it could be based on luck. So I have recently downloaded this app myself. So let's open this. Okay, so we're already inside Golden Time here, and this is the first thing that you will see. So there's a scratch here. So let's scratch it. Okay, so congratulations, you won 1,200. So you can see that red thing, that is actually an advert. So if you want to times 2 that 1,200, you just watch the advert. Let's go on ahead and do that. Okay guys, so it's around 30 seconds. Some advert last around 15 seconds if you're lucky, but I think for this, most advert would be at least 30 seconds, yeah? So let's just bear with it. Okay, so you can see that X mark, so you can just X it out. So at the right side corner, you can see my coins there. It's already 459,000. Yep. I actually downloaded this app I don't know, I think it was last week, but I haven't been actively playing this app. But I recently am playing this app for the past 2 days, I think. So hold on. So look at the bottom part. You can see wheel, slots, lotto, and free coins. So let's start with wheel. So we are at wheel now. So guys, look at the bottom part, that red, that free spin. So if you want to watch advert, you just have to click on that one. You have 16. I have maximized it already. You can actually see 0/16 if you haven't used it yet. But like what I told you, I have been actively using it for the past 2 days. Earlier, I actually used this or played this game. So I have used all my free spin watching adverts. And if you want, if you still want to play the wheel, then you can actually do so, but it will take out some of your coins, and it's 4,000. Yeah. So how to play? Look at the very bottom. You can see how to play. I'm gonna click on that one. How to play. So click free spin and play now to spin the wheel and get the prize. 100 spin chances 1 day for 4,000 coins paid spin. If you win the big prize, such as $20 and iPhone 11, we will contact you to send you the rewards. So I haven't won the big prize. But I got 0.08 here, 0.02 I also got. I got 10,000 coins here, so it's not bad. I'm gonna X out. So we're in the front page of Golden Time again. Let's go to the slots. So sorry guys, the music is just a bit too loud for me. So on the slots part earlier, you can see it's the same concept. So you have 15 free spin by watching advert. So advert lasts around 30 to 15 seconds, depends on the advert that you will see. And if you don't have any more free spins, you can use your coins, but it's 4,000 as well. And it's not unlimited, but it will... You won't be able to use it. It will show there if you have maximized your free spin. If you have maximized 4,000 coins, I think there's an allowable turns even for the coins that you're gonna use. Hold on, okay? Let's go back. Okay, I'm too lazy to read that. It's too small for me to read it. So, sorry, I don't know how to turn off that sound because in the wheel there's no sound. So in the slots portion again, there is a how to play. You just click on that and read through it. Yeah. And then, going to the next portion is the Lotto portion. Look at the bottom part again. So Lotto portion is, let's do it here. So quick pick. So that's a quick pick, and then continue, and then quick pick again, and then submit. So that's how it is for the Lotto. After the countdown is there. Countdown to drawing is 9 hours and 8 minutes. So yeah, you just, hold on. So if you feel lucky, then you can just do the Lotto. I mean, it's free anyway, so just do a quick pick. Maybe you're a lucky winner or something, we wouldn't know. And of course, an advert showed up again. Hold on. Let's just finish the advert. Okay, done. So it will allow me to choose another ticket for the Lotto. So let's just do that. I think you can have at least three tickets to for this Lotto draw. I really don't like to watch the advert, so let's not. Okay, so pretty much it's very easy to use. At the very look at the bottom part again. You can see free coins, and here there are special offers. Let's click on that one. Let's see. Oh, okay, hold on. What's this? Okay, these are the special offers. So if you want to earn a lot of points or coins immediately, then you can do the earn coins here. I have started playing a game here, so it's not yet done. So this is the casino slot. I will earn 2 million something points when I'm done here, but I have to complete an action, and the action here is not so easy. Even if it says easy here, I think I have to reach until level 80. Good luck to me. I think I'm just at level 20, so I don't know when I'm gonna get that 2 million. So guys, there are other paying apps that are similar to Golden Time, so this is not something that's new. But what I can tell you is, if this is a good extra income allowance, yeah, and if you're not doing much, then you can play this game. So yeah, so far it's a paying app. I haven't, for myself personally, I haven't withdrawn anything yet, but I'm already at $2.57 here. So during your free time, if you're just lazing around at home or not doing anything, just relaxing, then you can play this game, yeah? Or you can ask your kids or nephews, nieces to play this game for you. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video of mine. So I also want to tell you that I'm so sorry that I haven't been vlogging for the past 2 weeks. I have actually been sick. Actually, the first week my son has been sick. Just a minor cold, and then I got it. So I got a slight fever and a minor cold. So it's nothing serious. It's not the coronavirus, yeah. So yeah, but we're all okay now. So guys, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching my vlog, and until next week, okay? So bye for now. Oh, sorry, don't forget to leave a comment if you have questions for me, or if you want me to try any other app, paying app, then feel free to do so. This channel doesn't have a niche, so maybe next week it's not about paying apps, who knows. So just leave a comment below of what you want to see or you're interested in, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, okay? Bye for now.